Hi, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today we got a special treat. It's a very popular pasta dish that really hardly anyone's ever heard of. It's called spaghetti alla Nerano. It comes from Italy off the Amalfi coast, and it's a very popular dish out there. It's very easy. You're gonna absolutely love the way it tastes, and it will be one of your favorites, I guarantee it.
Looks fantastic.
Very good. Let's get cooking. All right, this is a simple recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting our water ready for the spaghetti. You wanna generously salt your water here. And then we're gonna get the zucchini cut up here. Cut off the stems, cut off the back, and then you just start slicing very thin. Oh, one got away.
That's a nice knife.
It's the 7-inch Tenton Santuco knife. I picked this up from
Fancy name.
New West Knife Works. It cuts with
It's a nice blade.
Yeah, man, it cuts with nice precision, and it's very well balanced.
Beautiful handle, blade.
Yeah. If you can appreciate craftsmanship, this knife is definitely on point.
I need one of those in my arsenal.
I'm gonna have a link in the description for anyone that's interested. All right, let's get these zucchini fried up. All right, we got our olive oil getting hot. This is not extra virgin olive oil. This is just regular olive oil. I'm gonna throw a couple of cloves of garlic in there. Let that flavor that olive oil up a little bit before we throw the zucchini in.
Yep.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
And if the garlic gets too black, you can take it out.
Yeah.
Because it flavors the oil really good.
All right, now we're going to start adding our zucchini. We're going to fry them till they get a little golden brown.
Google seal and eggs, anybody?
Oh, I love that. Google seal and eggs, that was our favorite, man. I love that.
And we have a video on Google seal and eggs, if anybody's interested.
Yes, we do. This is the legendary pasta dish that blew Stanley Tucci's mind. I mean, now he's all over social media with this recipe. This actually came out of Amalfi, like I said earlier, and it was invented by a woman who owned a restaurant, and she was a chef. The story has it that one day some prince from the neighborhood walked into the restaurant, and she didn't have that many ingredients on hand. She grabbed some zucchini out of her garden, diced it up, fried it, and added it to pasta. And ever since then, it's become, like they say, legendary. A few more minutes and we'll be ready to go. It's beautiful. All right, these are ready. Just start pulling these out. Okay. All right, water's boiling. Let's start cooking this pasta. All right. I'm gonna cook these al dente, firm to the bite. We're gonna let this cook, and then when it gets about 3 minutes before it's ready, I'm gonna reserve some of this pasta water. All right, we'll be back. All right, let's go ahead and reserve some of this pasta water. All right, let's start putting together our pasta. First thing I'm gonna do is I got about 3 ounces of butter. That's unsalted butter. I'm just going to throw a couple of cloves of garlic in there also. Let that melt down. Butter's melted. Now we're going to add our zucchini. I reserved some for the dish. Once it's done, you want to place some of those zucchini on top. Alright, now we're going to take some fresh basil. I'm going to rip off the leaves. I'll rip the leaves in half. Get all that flavor out. About 6 leaves. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper. Add a little pasta water in there. All right, that spaghetti should be just about ready.
I would say so.
Spaghetti's ready. Let's go ahead and pour that right in the pot here. And I'll skillet. Oh, smell that.
Add a little more pasta water.
Oh man. We have two cheeses here. We have the sharp provolone. Now typically they use provolone del Monaco, but it's very hard to get down here, and this sharp aged provolone works just as well. And then we have some Reggiano Parmesan. We're going to go ahead and add both cheeses. A little more pasta water. Flip it around. Oh man. Some more basil. Sometimes just shut off the heat. He reminded me I had to shut off the heat. Nice and silky. Look at that silk. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that pasta.
That looks good.
Isn't that beautiful? Oh, God. All right, we're ready to eat. All right, let's plate this baby. Look at that beautiful cream there. See that? Oh, look at that. This is Chef Dom's plate.
Oh.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
I'll eat out of the frying pan.
Now we'll go ahead and put some of these zucchini back on here.
Garlic. That looks good.
Some more basil. Can't get enough basil with this dish. All right, let's eat.
That looks good.
All right, let's give it a taste. Chef Dom.
You gotta get a bite of that zucchini.
Perfect bite right there. Absolutely delicious. You're gonna love this dish. The caramelized zucchini is sweet, and you have the garlic, and you have the saltiness from the cheese, the provolone. It's absolutely delicious. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers. We'll see you guys next recipe.
Thanks, guys. Have a good day.